Okay, we've got an agent LS5 keys. Yeah, I've heard good things about this lock, that it's nice and clicky, has some good feedback, so I'll give it a shot here. Let's start with sure. That's all right. Try this honest stone flag. This one is unrefined though, so it might be a little bit too tall here. This turner. What? Okay, get another one. Sure, we'll go with this. Hey, there it is. Yeah, real clicky. I feel like I want to do it again. I want to pick it again, just so that I understand all of the feedback that I was feeling. Yeah, it was good. I liked it. Let's see the there were some spots that I guess I thought might have been like maybe I was oversetting, but turns out it wasn't. So I guess I didn't really have an issue with that. Yeah, didn't really need to back off and try and let pins drop or anything. I think I did a couple times, just backed off to see if, because sometimes the oversets are going to be the, eager to drop back. So I backed off a little bit to check, and nothing fell. So yeah, turns out it was all good. We'll see how involved it is to get this thing. It's the first time taking off the back here, the sleeve, so there are some these things, whatever they're called. Do they come off easily? Bible covers. They don't exactly just slide right off, and it's kind of okay. I don't know. I guess I'll try. Let me try. Yeah, it's not too bad. So I think there's 6 on each side. Yeah. This would be, I like to lay them out like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just slide this all the way out. So this is a sintering bearing in the 7th chamber. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it stays there. It lives there now. Careful with these springs. I like to grab them with the pointy tweezers one side in the spring so that it doesn't launch into the ether. Now you're picking it up without it being under any sort of compression. Looks like this had some graphite lubricant. Isn't ideal for picking and gutting, so might go ahead and clean it while it's gutted here. So you can see each one of these top pins has a little lip on there. And then each one of the bottom pins is going to try to punish you for oversetting. Looks like a centering bearing just on one side. Holding the screwdriver at a slight twist. Oh man, that launched. I heard it somewhere over here. I will find you. Still missing one, but you get the point. There they are. Certainly could be arranged better, but I'm gonna hop off and find this spring. So yeah, see ya.